In this video, let's find out the best and available promo codes for Pizza Hut for your order. Then you can get a lot of discount from here. To get any type of promo code, you have to go to your internet browser and then search for Pizza Hut promo codes available on the search bar. Then click the first website that is trusted website, that is coupon follow. As you can see, there is $30 with this code off, save free item with this code, save 15%, save 20%, or save 50% up to. So these are the different QR codes. You have to click on the show QR to get a QR code available in front of you on the screen. Simply you can copy it and just go to the redemption or checkout page available on your Pizza Hut. This is all about how you can get available and working best QR codes available for you. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.